Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. So now in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called Decorate My Space, and that's being hosted by the Grace Life DIY home decor and Tablescapes by Candy. Now hosting with us is Buckeye Girls Recent Things. We have Design with Emma. We have Sasu Glam Style, the Aria Lifestyle. We have Annalise Cupboards, Mabel's Tables, Pretty DIYs, Decorate With Us, The Virtuous Woman Lifestyle, and it's me, Ashley. Okay, now Decorate My Space is a collaboration. It's done monthly, and it's every third Friday of the month at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to do is refresh an area in your house, a room, whatever that may be, indoor, outdoor. Then just reveal it, guys. Make a video, and I will be more than happy to add it to the playlist. Now I am so excited about this video because I decided with all the DIYs that I've been doing on Clouches, I decided to call this a gathering of Clouches. And so I decided to decorate my coffee table and gather all my pieces together. And this is Decorating My Space. Now I'm going to be linking the hosts and all of the beautiful ladies who are hosting with me down below in the description box along with our channel link. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist, guys, because you don't want to miss Decorate My Space. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who've known me for a while or even from the very beginning, I just want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now, remember that as in all collaborations, I ask you to practice YouTube etiquette. Now, I'm absolutely loving the variety of all these different cloches. So some of them are recyclable items, a lot of them are thrifted items, but I all came together and I decided to go ahead and display these for you because I think they came out absolutely gorgeous. Now I am lighting the candles right here, so pretty soon we're going to head on over to the reveal. Now, doesn't this clothes look absolutely gorgeous? That's a Dollar Tree one, the little ones they have. And then this right here, I just think all of them came out so beautiful. And the center one right there resembles a piece that I saw in Z Gallery. Gorgeous. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Now, this is also a quick reminder that in my community tab of my YouTube channel, you will find a whole slew of collaborations, and they're all open collabs for everybody to enjoy. So come on over, join us. We have an amazing time. I'm sure you can find a collab that suits your channel, and have an amazing day, guys. So I also wanted to say that I have 2 other channels, and one of them is called Simply Grace Lifestyle, and that's an overflow of this channel right here, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. I would also like to say that if you enjoy Bible-based teaching on everyday life, devotionals, and things of that nature, I would love to have you over. Moments of Grace. God bless you guys. I don't know, I'm really starting to enjoy these cloches, and I think that maybe we should start a collaboration. What do you guys think? I can't wait to hear.